Welcome to RV News and Recalls from Destinations A to Z. I am Glenn Bailey. If it's your first time joining us, then welcome. This is a monthly video bringing you the latest and the greatest of RV industry news, and most importantly of all, RV recalls. If this is not your first time joining us, then welcome back. This is the August edition. Let's get it going. Talking about the RV industry first, Grand Design updates the warranties. Grand Design's RV has taken an unprecedented stance on the quality after their frame debacle. The manufacturer just changed its warranty program on all of its vehicles it manufactures, making it transferable for the first time. Grand Designs will now provide consumers with 1, 3, 5-year transferable, retroactive warranties in addition to other ongoing efforts to ensure consumers are thrilled with the quality of its vehicles. Grand Design's base is a 1-year warranty, transferable when the consumer sells their RV, but the 3-year structural and 5-year warranties were not until now. Subsequent Grand Design vehicle owners may now contact the company to receive the remaining warranty coverage. The new warranties may ultimately boost resale values after going into effect. All 2020 and later model year vehicles benefit from the new retroactive warranty that kicks in from the original date of purchase by the consumer who first bought the RV. Grand Design warranties include the 1-year base warranty, covers the material component defects from Grand Design workmanship. 3-year structural warranty covers items such as the flooring, roof, sidewall components. The 5-year extended warranty covers the frame, including main frame rails, outriggers, cross members, upper deck frame, and any other original components affixed by weld or huck bolt. The announcement came after a spring in which consumers elevated the focus on the frame flex issues, in which frame flex is caused by excessive movement in the chassis on the large fifth wheels in relation to the structure built upon the chassis, and as a direct result of a lot of complaints that came in via social media and everything else. Continuing with the RV industry, fire ravages another RV dealer. Several RVs in the parking lot of South Windsor business burned to their frames early Thursday morning as crews tried to put out the flames. South Windsor Fire Department and local police were called to Pete's RV Center in South Windsor, Connecticut at 4:15 a.m. Officers saw one vehicle on fire. When they arrived, but it spread and ended up destroying all 4 vehicles, all of them some type of camper or RV. Firefighters said that they were able to stop the fire from spreading to the large building and other RVs, which is good. The heat from the fire and the weather posed challenges for the firefighters. There were no reported injuries, which is great news. The cause of the fire is still under investigations. Continuing with the RV industry, the hardest to book campgrounds in the U.S. America is heeding the call of the wild, according to the press from the dirt, with an estimated 84.8 million Americans ditching the city lights to sleep underneath the stars in 2023. It's clear that camping has never been as popular as what it is now. As a result, according to the Dirt's 2024 camping report, 45.5% of campers reported having a difficult time getting a reservation at the campground. To that end, the Dirt has compiled a list of the top 10 hardest to book campgrounds in the U.S. Number 1 is Nevada Beach Campground, Lake Tahoe Basin Management Unit, Nevada, 99.4% booked. 2 is 12 Mile Beach Campground, Rocks National Lakeshore, Michigan, 99.4% booked. 3 is Devil's Garden Campground, Arches National Park, Utah, 99.2% booked. 4 is 7 Points Campground in J. Piercy Priest Lake, Tennessee, 97.6% booked. 5 is Kirk Creek Campground in Los Padres National Forest, California, 97.5% booked. 6 is Hurricane River Campground, Rocks National Lakeshore, Michigan, 96.8% booked. 7 is Aspen Glen Campground, Rocky Mountain National Park, Colorado, 96.1% booked. Frucia Campground, Capitol Reef National Park, Utah, 95.9% booked. Number 9 is Coulter Bay RV Park at Coulter Bay Village, Grand Teton National Park, Wyoming, 94.9% booked. Number 10 is Twin Lakes Campground, Inyo National Forest, California, 93.7% booked. Continuing with the RV industry, let's talk about the Adventure Bandits Bash 2024. The Adventure Bandits have their next location for the Adventure Bandits Bash 2024. If you were not able to get into the Glamp Out 2024, don't miss the Bash. It's happening at a newly built Savannah Lakes RV Resort just right off of I-95 in Hardyville, South Carolina. It's off 278 that goes over to Hilton Head, conveniently located. If you've not been to one of their Glamp Outs, then you don't know what you're missing. They have live entertainment, giveaways, raffles, games, and a whole lot of fun with like-minded people. What else do you want? Guaranteed you will leave with a whole lot more friends than you arrived with. And by the way, we will be there too. We will be providing you with another great video for you to check out all the action, including some of other great YouTubers that you don't want to miss. For more information, contact adventurebandits1@gmail.com. Tell Talmadge and Ashante you've seen it here on RV News and Recalls. Let's talk about the RV market. RV shipments ended the month with 25,308 units, an increase of 5% compared to the 24,095 units shipped last month. RV shipments were up in June, with the greatest increase coming from travel trailer shipments that are up 19% for the year, according to the RV Industry Association President and CEO Craig Kirby. As consumers continue to look for affordable ways to vacation, RVs provide consumers with the freedom to travel while also controlling their costs and itineraries in a way that's easier than traditional travel options. Towable RVs led the conventional travel trailers, ended up the month 11.4% from last June of 23,020 shipments. Motorhomes finished the month down a whopping 33.2% compared to the same month last year, with only 2,288 units shipped. To date, RVs are up 8.4% compared to the same time frame last year, with 178,596 units shipped through June. Park models finished down also a whopping 13.8% compared to the same month last year, with only 337 wholesale units shipped. Let's talk about the wholesale RV values. Motorized wholesale prices averaged $68,756 in June, up a whopping 17.7% or $10,345 from May. Even with the unexpected increase, the average motorized prices rose just slightly from $68,405 June of 2023. Motorized auction volume rose 4.8%. The average age of the motorhome sold was 9 years old. Towables wholesale RV values differed. According to Black Book, Towables averaged $19,507, which was down 1.7% from May of 2024. A year ago, it was $25,056. Towable auction volume rose 11.1% from the previous month. The average age of the towable RV sold was 5 years old. It's time for the RV Resort Spotlight. The spotlight this month is on Anchor Down RV Resort in Dandridge, Tennessee. Anchor Down is located right on Douglas Lake and was voted #1 by the Dirt in a whole US of A. Anchor Down is a family-friendly atmosphere with a pool located and a beach right on the lake with water toys in the lake. They offer boat, jet ski, and golf cart rentals, dock slip rentals, and plenty of activities. Oh, almost forgot. On the signature sites, it's a huge fireplace, not even a fire pit. All sites are concrete or stamped concrete pads. They have buddy sites, motorhome only sites, pull-throughs, and back ends. And speaking of Anchor Down, we are here today. Be looking for another great video in detail coming in a few weeks. Be sure to check out our Facebook page for some pics from our site, and who knows, we may be even live. Their amenities include 170 spacious sites, 30-50 amp service, basketball court, bathhouse with private bathrooms, beach area volleyball, boat ramp, boat rentals, boat slip, jet ski dock, jet ski rentals, buddy sites, cable TV hookup, camp store, campground cafe, concrete pads, covered pavilion with barbecue grills, fire pits, outdoor fireplaces, firewood delivered to your site, fishing trail, free Wi-Fi internet access, high speed too, full hookups, water, sewer, electric, gaga ball, golf cart rentals, ice, lakefront and lake view sites, lake swimming with inflatables, laundry facilities, leash-free pet park, life jacket rentals, on-site trash pickup, paddleboard kayak rentals, paved lakefront golf cart walking trail, paved streets, pet friendly with pet stations, pickleball court, picnics on each site, playground, pool with a water slide, and guaranteed to be open by Memorial Day weekend. Saltwater kiddie pool as well. Link will be in the description of the video below. Be sure to check it out and let them know that you've seen it here on Destinations A to Z. Let's talk about RV interest rates. No change for August, which is great news. The lowest is still 6.99 at IFG, Great Loan RV, Southeast Financial, and Lightstream with AutoPay. The good news is the Federal Reserve is saying now there's a possibility of a rate cut in September, which would be a 0.25% cut, and even another possibility of 2 more rate cuts this year. That's great news. With the possibility of 2 more rate cuts this year, the interest rates may finally start falling on RV loans and allow you to lower your costs. It's time for the Destinations A to Z video spotlight. This month, the spotlight is a complete tour of the Corvette Museum and the Sinkhole in Bowling Green, Kentucky. This is a truly don't miss. Be sure to check it out. It's really incredible. You will love it. A link will be in the description of the video below. It's time for the RV YouTube channel spotlight. This month is definitely one you want to subscribe to. It's called AZ Expert. He is truly an RV expert that can inspect any coach and let you know where the problems exist or where they might exist. James will be able to give you some super great tips on solving problems or upgrading your RV, including some tips on what to look for yourself. You won't regret checking out his channel. The information he provides is incredible. A link to his channel will be in the video description below. Be sure to let him know you've seen it here on Destinations A to Z. It's time for the most important news of all, RV recalls. This month we dropped from 14 down to 11, which is still 11 too many. We now have a total of 112 recalls for the year. Here are the top manufacturers on the recall list, and I think it's safe to say that it will still be hard to get more than Forest River. Forest River is still number 1 with 36. Jayco and Winnebago are tied at 12. Tiffin with 7. And finally, Keystone with 6 so far this year. That rounds out the top 5. Starting off this month, we've got Brinkley RV. It's an incorrectly wired 12-volt system that may cause a fire. Overheating wiring can increase the fire risk. Potential number of units affected is 3,157. Affects the 23 through 24 Model Z fifth wheels and Model Z Air travel trailers. Forest River again. Ladder may detach while in use. A ladder that detaches increases the injury risk. Potential number of units affected is 160. Affects the 24 through 25 Cross Trail motorhome. Forest River again. Missing secondary emergency exit window. In event of emergency, passengers may not be able to exit the vehicle, increasing the injury risk. Potential number of units affected is 573. Affects the 24 through 25 Salem Wildwood travel trailers. Daimler trucks. Brake lights may fail to illuminate. Brake lights that fail to illuminate can fail to indicate to other drivers that the vehicle is slowing down and could cause an accident. Potential number of units affected is 37. It affects the 23 and 24 Freightliner custom chassis S2C 106 and 24 through 25 S2 RV 106 vehicles. The S2 RV is a Super C motorhome chassis. Grand Designs RV. Wiring missing circuit protection. A wiring circuit protection may come damaged and short circuit and could cause a fire. Potential number of units affected is 734. It affects the 24 Reflection travel trailer. Keystone incorrectly attached metal sidewalls. Loose sidewalls that detach during transit can cause a road hazard and could cause injury or a crash. Potential number of units affected is 393. Affects the 24 Springdale 245 ML, the Hideout 224L0F, the Aspen Trail 260 TH Loft, and the 360 TH Loft, and the Colorado 360 TH Loft travel trailers. This is a rough life part of RVing as you get older. How about saving your knees, saving your back, and saving your hands, and check out RV Snap Pad that goes on your jacks permanently. Simple to install. You line them up one time, they press in, and then pull right back up. These are made in the USA. They're made actually Tennessee, home of the Tennessee Vols. As you can see, the drainage is absolutely amazing as well. You can see they have them for every single type of RV available. A link is down in the video description below that can save you 10%. Don't forget to check out the link. Go out and check out RV Snap Pad, best jack pads on the market. Tiffin Motorhomes, missing spare tire wheel bolts. A spare tire installed without the correct bolts can detach, cause a crash. Potential number of units affected is 242. It affects the 24 Tiffin Convoy and the 23 and 25 Tiffin GH1 motorhomes. Forest River again, incorrect rim information on the label FMV SS110. An incorrect rim size on the label could result in the wrong wheels being installed and could cause a crash. Potential number of units affected is 35. It affects the 24 Forest River Salem, Wildwood, and Stealth EVO travel trailers. Forest River again. Hitch may fail. Hitch failure could cause a crash or an injury. Potential number of units affected is 17. Affects the 24 Salem, Puma, Wildwood, the 2025 Cherokee travel trailers equipped with certain Pacific Rim brand couplers. Triple E vehicles. Floor substructure not properly secured. A generator that falls could cause a crash or an injury. Potential number of units affected is 329. Affects the 20 through 24 Wonder W24RL, the W24 FTB, the W24 MBL, and the W24MB motorhomes. Winnebago Industries. Solar charging system may melt the fuse. A melted fuse could cause a fire. Potential number of units affected is 2,193. Affects the 21 through 25 Echo motorhomes. Guys, there you have it. You don't have to remember all this. All this information will be in the link in the video description below for you to be able to download it to your viewing pleasure and read it. If you know someone that has one of these vehicles, please be sure to let them know and share this over to them so they can get their RVs fixed as well. Here we are coming up in August, and camping season is going to be over with in another few months. Be sure to get these checked out. Hope this information has been helpful. I want to thank you for watching it. Hope to see you guys on the next one. And remember, safe travels.